nobody leaving, so keep dancing. We're flying awesome, flying dizzy, fly on, flying up no ceiling, flying dizzy, fly on, we're flying early on, awesome, flying dizzy, fly on, flying up no ceiling.
Oh really? Yeah, I like California.
Kind of pricey.
Yeah, it is, but
Come for a minute, I need a text.
yeah, that's fine.
Well, he doesn't know what he's here. He's like, standing up front, like, weird.
I'm just gonna go right there.
You guys can run down if you want.
Oh, nice. Ugliest cat I've ever seen in my life. All right. Look at that. Ooh, nice. Ooh, nice. 2-1. All right. Okay. Ooh. Let's go for this dog right here. Oh man. Oh man. Oh, nice. I can use this on the car ride. Make my neck nice and fluffy. Let's try that. Oh, that was close. Here, you want to take this? I'm all over the place with it. That llama looks cool. Oh, definitely possible. Okay, let's just go really. Oh, that was such a bad idea. Alright, I give up. Girls are so hard. Okay, I got an idea. I'm gonna use this guy to push the dog. Oh, just kidding. Okay, let's just go for this llama. Oh, narts.
Not really much gettable on this one.
Fartsies. Okay.
Maybe this guy?
Maybe that guy, yeah. Oh, that should be good. Alright.
Are you gonna count the stuff in there?
Okay, let's try that. Okay, don't. Oh, it just stabs. Every single like. Okay, what
That's
else?
about
The
it.
llama.
Yeah.
Last dollar for the. I found a better way to do that. It's to load them up, like. Okay, hopefully this spins right this time. Right there. Yeah, I don't know. What do you think? He's like, good one, Aaron. Not.
Oh, there it is. There it is. Oh my gosh. What?
I'm not gonna let that. No llama drop.
Let's shake it really hard, maybe it will fall in.
Let's set the machine on fire. Okay. I'm gonna go.
Frank's like, shoot, I should just let him shake it in. Oh my god! Stay! Oh!
Dang it.
So much joy just went through his body.
I know, from a little bat. Did I get? Did I get one to play?
Huh?
Looks like he was waiting for us. Oh, that should have it though. That should have it though.
Oh, I think
That should have it though. Okay, not gonna. Oh man.
Actually
Alright,
pulled
what
off.
else?
I'll just drop it on the guy.
It's like no.
Well, what if you try the
You
pink
win
guy?
every
Yeah.
like prize in here. Oh. Ooh. Ooh. Where they at though? Oh, I don't know. I think awesome. I can't do that. Oh. Oh, come on. Maybe. Oh, man. What do you think,
Look at that.
Aaron?
I'm not sure.
If I can get it to clamp it, I mean, it's a definite. What if I just went for this guy? I mean. Oh man. Hungry. Are you hungry?
Yeah. A little bit.
I have a feeling it's not.
I'm getting tired of standing.
I know. Tell me about it. Ready? Oh, yes. Come on. Come on. Yes. Oh, that might knock him in.
No, that's not gonna
Moved him like half a centimeter to the left side of his body. Oh. Okay.
Alright, well, I'm gonna update my people while
Update your people.
I'm filming
yeah.
for Will.
Oh, you know what?
I think he's got it right there, baby.
Finally.
Oh,
Yes.
man, look at that.
Sliding into your DMs, like.
So, it turns out that Will got very lucky with his Walmart because look who's here, the vendor. So, Will got lucky. So anyways, yeah, so we've been here for about an hour now.
Yeah, and we still have like 5 hours to go.
Yeah, and if we keep doing this, we'll never make it to Cali, but that's okay. So anyways,
But hey, we'll have clutch. That counts.
just kind of wanted to give you a
Oh man.
a small update on what is going on.
Gartner years. Okay, let's try for it. I'm feeling optimistic about this. Oh, come on.
No way.
Let's go.
What? Knock it in.
Yes. Oh, yes. Come on, please. Please. Oh, okay.
Dude, that llama is basically yours.
I know. I'm just waiting for the right moment.
Dude, look at how gettable that freaking thing is.
What, this?
Yeah. If it doesn't stab, that's yours.
Oh, wait.
That's yours. Oh, 2 in a row. Oh my god. Knock that in.
Oh, we're gonna make cranks.
Oh my god.
Oh.
Look at how full it is. Oh.
I'm gonna make it my life's mission to never have to see Frank again because he's probably gonna hate me. Alright. Now, this is gonna be a little crazy, but I'm going for the bat.
You got the strap. Oh my gosh, stay. No way. What the heck?
Oh my god.
That's a 3 in a row.
Because it's out of my reach, so, pull it back in, dang it.
You just get the claw to swing a little bit.
Yeah. Okay. Wonder how we can do that. Okay. It's alright, old fashioned way. It's no problem at all. Just move it.
Dead zone. Oh my.
Yes.
Yeah, there. Oh wow, it barely fell in.
Here,
The 29 things out of the price. 1, 2, 0, 3, 4, 5, 6. Is it on me, guys? 7, 8, 9, 11, 12. 12 for $6.
That's what he spent to get on him?
No. We probably spent like 20 or 30.
oh, I think I got it still.
That's
Stay.
wow, you got it.